Hi guys, today is Friday and I will go shopping in Boulevard Mall in Salmia. My sister accompanied me since she's living in Salmia and it's her day off too. Alam nyo guys, Boulevard is very beautiful. Meron din siyang malawak na park. So before we go inside of the mall, we walk around the park. And did you see that? It's very colorful tunnel. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito. And meron silang lake na walang isda at saka walang bus. Ang ganda magpa-picture dito guys, promise. You see that? It's very beautiful. And ang gaganda ng mga flowers around the park, o diba? And meron din silang fountains. May mga pato, mga bibi dyan guys sa park. At meron mga ligaw na bulaklak. Oh, it's amazing. Next time pupunta ako dyan ulit. Siyempre may mga picture kaming ginawa at saka nag-shopping na. Diba? Maala-ala mo kaya. Yun lang. Bush.